Hey piano pals! We're going on a musical journey to discover the 7 enchanting music letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let's embark on a hip-hop musical adventure. Ready? Let's go.
Listen up, piano pals, it's time to play. Let me teach you music letters in the fun way. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, they're the keys, unlocking melodies like a gentle breeze. So remember these letters, each one so clear. They form the foundation of music, my dear. From A to G, watch the melody unfold and let your passion for music take hold. Of it all. B is for the beat, keeping rhythm in our thrall. C for the chord, harmonies, so sweet. D is for drum, adding that funky beat. E for the echoes, bouncing off the walls. F is for flute, playing in grand halls. G for grand piano, elegant and bold. Each note has a story, waiting to be told. To G, let music be your guide. With every letter, let passion coincide. So sing, dance, play with all your might. Let the music letters fill your days and nights.
If you want to see more videos like this, please remember to tell mom or dad to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.